We are La Familia, and you can compare us with Italian Mafia, but we do party instead of crime, and we are victorious every time. We got a president on our side, so there is no reason to hide.
La Familia.
Come on! Now we're going out to the night. Oh, we're going out to have a good time. Now we're going out to have a good time. Yeah. And we would like you to join us tonight.
La Familia.
Yeah.